Hello, friends. It's Uncle Monk. Are you ready to read with me? Today, we're going to celebrate Valentines with Here Comes Valentine Cat by Deborah Underwood and pictures by Claudia Ruda. Let's begin. What a fun book to celebrate Valentine's Day. Here comes Valentine Cat. Hey, Cat, any Valentine's Day plans? This is a no Valentine zone? Oh, why don't you like Valentine's Day, Cat? Valentine's Day doesn't have to be all mushy. Why don't you make a Valentine for a friend? Your stuffed squid? Yes. I'm sure Squiddy would like a Valentine, but maybe someone who isn't a stuffed animal. Can you think of anyone to make a Valentine for? Nobody at all? Oh, Cat. Raooo! My goodness, who's that? Oh, your new neighbor. Have you met him yet? I know he's a dog. Maybe he's a nice dog. She's scared of those teeth. Hey, why don't you make Dog a Valentine to welcome him to the neighborhood? Cat, look out! Ooh. Did Dog throw that? He's thrown a lot of bones over the fence. I wonder why. You think he's mean? But you've never met him. Aren't you jumping to conclusions? Oh, yikes. Cat, what are you up to? You are going to give Dog a Valentine? Aww. Oh dear. What does it say? Let's read. Roses are red, violets are blue. Who's the worst neighbor? I think it's you. Cat! That is not exactly what I had in mind. Let's try again. Come on. Violets are blue, roses are red. Stop throwing garbage onto my head. Absolutely not. Wow. He is kind of loud, isn't he? Cat? Hey, over there, Cat! What do you have there? You're building a rocket? Why? You cannot send Dog to the moon! Cat, do you hear me? Oh, good grief. Hey, something landed on your rocket. It's a Valentine. What does it say? Dear Cat, Happy Valentine's Day. I hope we can be friends. Dog. P.S. Did you like the ball? It was my favorite. Oh, my Cat. It looks like the ball was That's right. A present. Yep. And I'll bet those bones were. Oh, yeah, a present too. Yeah, Gee, Cat, do you think that dog was howling because he's lonely? Boo, boo. Oh, Cat, it's not too late to be his friend. You have an idea? Another Valentine's? What does it say? Roses are red, violets are blue. Dogs are annoying. What? Cat. Except for you. Cat, you are full of surprises. Happy Valentine's Day. Are you going to go give it? Oh, you are. You're giving it to Dog. Oh, the end. What a sweet book about Valentine's Day. The cat learned that the dog was lonely and wanted to make him happy with a new friend. Here Comes Valentine Cat. What a sweet book. Uncle Monk loved reading to you, and I can't wait to read another one with you again. Until then, bye-bye, friends.